Now, next topic, biomedical waste. This is a very important topic of biomedical waste. How can management and handling rules 1998. The biomedical waste management and handling rules 1998 came into force on 1998 in exact date of the powers confined by Section 6, 8 and 25 of EP Act 1986. The central government notified these rules for the management and handling of biomedical waste generated from hospitals. Basically, biomedical waste will be produced from hospital, clinic, etc. Then here, hospital, clinics, other institutions for scientific scientific management of biomedical waste. Where basically in this case, hospital is a major process of the biomedical waste. And how can management and handle? According to rules 1998, the biomedical waste means any waste which is generated during the diagnosis, treatment or immunization of human beings or animals, or in research activities pertaining thereto, or in the production or testing of biological and including categories mentioned in Schedule 1 of the rules. It shall be the duty of every computer of an institute generating biomedical waste, which includes a hospital, nursing home, clinic, dispensary, veterinary institute, animal house, pathological laboratory, blood bank, by whatever name called, to take all steps to ensure that such waste is handled without any adverse effect of human health and the environment. The segregation, packaging, transportation, and storage shall be done as under. First one is the biomedical waste shall not be mixed with other waste. Biomedical waste shall be suggested into containers, oblique bags at the points of generate in accordance with the Schedule 2 prior to its storage, transportation, treatment, and disposal. The container shall be labeled according to Schedule 3. Every occupied of an institute generating, collecting, receiving, storing, transporting, treating, and handling biomedical waste shall apply from 1 for authorization to the board. The State Pollution Control Board, that means SPCB. This is abbreviated as States Pollution Control Board, that means SPCB, are declared as prescribed authority for grant of authorizations. The board grant authorizations after satisfy itself. Every occupier shall submit an annual report to the prescribed authority in the form second by 31st January every year, to include information about the categories and quantities of biomedical waste handled during the proceeding year. The prescribed authority shall send this information in a completed form to the Central Pollution Control Board, that is abbreviated as CPCB, by 31st March every year. When any accident occurs at any institution or facility or any other site where biomedical waste is handled, or during transportation of such waste, the authorized person shall report the accident in from third to the prescribed authority forthwith. Any person aggregated by an order made by the prescribed authority under these rules may, within 30 days from the date of which the order is communicated to him. Prefer an prefer an appeal to such authority as the governments of states, the Union Territory may think fit to constitutions, provided provided that the authority may incertain the appeal after the expiry of the said period of 30 days if it is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient cause from filing the appeal in time. For violating the provisions of these rules, the board can file a complaint under the section 15 of the Act, which provides the enforcement which may extend up to 5 years. The board can also have directions for closure of any difficulty hospital, clinic, institutions under Section 5 of EP Act as powers delegated by the central government. Okay, thank you.